Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over some very interesting information. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I just got this email from the SBA about a targeted EIDL advanced application, right? And what's happening is that if y'all haven't been following up on this, last year a lot of funding went out to small business owners due to COVID, right? And the SBA launched a program called the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, where they guarantee anybody that applied, right? Anybody that applied for the loan, whether you were approved or denied, you would get $10,000, right? And this rollout was very flawed. A lot of people didn't get the money. A lot of people had to wait. It was a lot of different things that were confusing small business owners about the $10,000 grant. And, a lot of people wrote to the SBA. A lot of people contacted their customer service. And in response, they're sending out an invitation to multiple small business owners, right, to cover the difference. So basically, just to be 100% upfront, so y'all know what's going on. If you get this email, right, they're basically going to pay you the difference of the $10,000 that they were supposed to guarantee pay out as a grant, right? Now, if you got $1,000 like me, I only got $1,000. I'm a sole proprietor business, Yon World LLC. It's just me running all of this. If you only got $1,000, the SBA will send you an additional $9,000 to cover the difference of the full $10,000. So if you receive $5,000, you would get an extra $5,000 from the SBA. If you receive $4,000, you would get $6,000 from the SBA. Now, this money that they're sending you with this targeted EIDL advance, this money is a grant. So it's basically forgivable. It's basically free money, right? Now the loan itself, the small business loan you got from the SBA itself, that you have to pay back. It was deferred for a year, right? But part of the agreement when you went to sign up for this was that no matter if you got approved or denied, you would get $10,000, and that's what attracted a lot of people to it. So what's happening is that over the next 21 days, I just got my application. I filled it out 2 days ago. After you fill it out, um, you'll get a page that shows this, right? Your application is submitted. And basically, what happens when you go through the entire process is you enter in your business, right? If we go to the portal, let me show you. I can't go through the portal again because I already submitted it. But when you enter in your business EIN or your social security number, right, it'll pull up your application. It'll ask you questions. Basically you have to answer no to all of the questions except one. Um, there's other videos showing the exact questionnaire walkthrough. I wanted to do that on this video and walk through each of the questions, but it's a list of questions and you really only have to answer yes to the first one. A lot of them aren't going to be related to your business. Um, and if you read this over, it'll give you all of the rules and regulations on what to do. And next, it's really just confirming your bank account information. And once you confirm your bank account information, uh, they say they're going to contact us by email. So the main thing you want to do is keep all of your information the same. If you got a deposit on a certain bank account, you don't want to change it. You don't want to change your business name. You don't want to change the amount of employees you had, even though it gives you an option. If the amount of employees have updated, it gives you an option to change that. So yeah, I'm just bringing y'all aware. If y'all get this email, basically what the SBA is doing is they're giving you the remaining balance of the $10,000 they were supposed to give you. So a lot of people only got $2,000. Me personally, I only got $1,000. So on the app, it said it was gonna, deposit 9,000 into my bank account. Which is the difference of the 10,000. So Yeah, I'm just letting y'all know this. If y'all get this email about a targeted advance, a lot of people should be getting this, and I'm just bringing this to your attention. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.